Hello everyone, in this video I will share a few tips on how to truly leverage the power of nature, all of the beautiful and amazing gifts that nature has for us. So think of a place in nature where you would like to go. Ideally it would be a place relatively quiet so that your mind doesn't continue to be activated by the noises around you in that space. It could be in the forest, it could be a little park, could be a bigger park, it could be just a flower field, or it could be a beach or a lake, any place that draws you in. And when you just land in that space, the very first thing is allow yourself to soak in that beautiful energy, allow yourself to absorb that beautiful energy. Take long deep breaths right into your body through the nose, from the air, from what is around you, from the trees, from the flowers, from the water, from the earth also. Take long deep breaths and feel how your body begins to fill up with this beautiful energy. And when you feel like you have almost like let some of that stress go down a little bit and dissolve, when you feel like you're filled up with this beautiful energy of the space you're in, bring your attention to your body where you feel the most tension, pressure, contraction, stress. It could be something that you have been experiencing recently, or it has been something that has been going on for some time. It has accumulated in your system for a long time, year, few years, many years. Just feel what is happening in your body and bring your attention to the area where that feels the most contracted, where you feel the most tension, like what draws you in without analyzing, just what draws you in immediately. If you have been thinking about something, worrying about something, even doing mental work, intellectual work, if you have been experiencing challenges, most likely you have tension and pressure in your headspace. So tune in into the area that stands out the most for you right now. And take a deep breath through the nose right into that area, allowing the beautiful air from nature, beautiful energy in the space you're in to dissolve that pressure, to dissolve the energy of those worries and thinking and processing, and breathe out. Let's do it one more time. Deep breath in through the nose, breathe in this beautiful energy of nature right into your headspace, and allow the air, fresh air, and your breath to dissolve that pressure, and then breathe out. And now bring your attention to the rest of the body. Where do you feel the most pressure, tension, contraction? And take a deep breath from nature right into that area. And allow this beautiful energy of nature, of the space you're in, to dissolve it. And then breathe out. So this is our second step, to bring attention to pressure, stress, and tension in the body, and breathe in to dissolve it, to smooth it out, to harmonize it, and to release that energy out of your body. Let's just do one more time. Deep breath in and breathe out. Beautiful. Now the next step is to notice what's rising up in you as you feel release, as you feel the energy beginning to flow through your body, as you feel your heart is opening up, your belly is opening up, and you feel it's almost like there's some channels that are opening up. What is opening up for you? What is rising in you? What do you notice? Nature is always guiding us. And take a deep breath in from the earth up, and allow that breath to allow what's rising in you to come up even more. And breathe out. Perhaps it is very specific, related to what has been bothering you, what you have been trying to get clarity on, or what you have been trying to improve and make changes on, or even achieve your goals or dreams that you have been trying to achieve. Whatever it is, or perhaps it's just general, just the feeling of the bigger you, of who you truly are. And take a deep breath in again, and from the earth up, allow that breath to bring what's rising in you, to bring it higher up. and feel it. And breathe out. Now take a deep breath in and just hold this beautiful energy, something bigger in you that just opened up for you. And breathe out. And now feel into the beautiful nature around you, the beautiful spot that you're in, the beautiful space you're in, and feel how limitless it is. Even if it's a small area, feel how limitless nature is. Tune into the energy of the sky. If you're by the water, tune into the energy of the lake, of the ocean, and feel how limitless it is. And also feel how it was all created. It was all created by something bigger than ourselves. And it is all a part of an ecosystem that is being held in the most genius way to go through the different cycles of growth and experiences. And it's all being held, and it's all available, and it's all limitless. Tap into this beautiful energy of something limitless, something bigger than yourself, something bigger than you. Feel the connection with the universe, the sky, the stars, if it's a little later at night, the sun, the moon, the trees, the roots. Just feel the bigger energy of where you're in, the space you're in. Feel the connection with the universe, with God, with nature, whatever it is for you. What is that connection for you? Just feel how much bigger it is, and that you are a part of it. You're not alone, you're not isolated, you're one with that beautiful limitless energy. And take a deep breath in and allow yourself to expand and blend with this beautiful energy. You're always guided, you're always supported, you're loved. All of this is limitless. And breathe out. Beautiful. And now notice what is rising now for you. What is becoming more at peace? What can you let go of? What is not meaningful anymore? Can you release the energy of that? Can you release the worries about that? Can you bring more joy, more hope, more faith into your body? Beautiful. Let's first release what you notice that you can let go of, to have more space for this beautiful connection, for this beautiful energy. Take a deep breath in and release. Beautiful. And now breathe in more faith, more confidence, more strength, more trust. The limitless you. And breathe out. Beautiful. And let's do one more time. And breathe out. Beautiful. And now a very big question. It's a simple question. If you let go of all of the goals and dreams and changes as something that is driven externally, as something you set for yourself because of the external environment, what do you truly want to occur, to change? And what if it wasn't your goal, but it was your calling? Calling from the inside out, from above you, from around you, from the earth up. It was a calling for you to step into. What it is something that you meant to bring to the surface? What if it was your calling to become that person who is doing and having what you initially thought was supposed to be your goals? What if it was your calling? It's a very different energy. And now breathe in and breathe out. Let's review key steps when you are in a spot in nature to really truly leverage the gifts and the power that nature has for us, available at any time. Step number 1. Allow yourself to soak in that beautiful energy when you arrive in that spot. Allow yourself to absorb beautiful energy that is around you. Step number 2, Notice stress and pressure that has accumulated, perhaps recently, perhaps over a number of years, in your headspace, in your body, and release it. Step number 3, notice what's arising in you after you created some space. Step number 4, build connection with something bigger than you. Establish that connection with the universe, with God, with nature, with limitless capacity, that limitless world around you, and feel like you are one with it. You are a part of it, and you are one with it. Beautiful. Next step, step number 5. Notice what's arising after that. What's arising in you when you stepped into this bigger, beautiful energy. And step number 6, it's a bonus step. What if everything you have been trying to achieve was your calling instead of your goals? What would change in how you feel about it and about stepping into that version of you? If you're coming to your spot in nature with someone or perhaps a few people, a group of people, take this opportunity to stay quiet. And it's actually very important to stay quiet so you can really listen to what's in you that has accumulated that needs to be released, so you can listen to how your heart opens up, how your belly, the energy in the belly opens up, how the channels open up and your energy begins to flow. When we talk, we actually engage our mind. The mind is continuously engaged and it's processing, and it doesn't allow us to listen to the heart and soul, and it doesn't allow the mind to rest. And one of the beautiful outcomes or byproducts of being in nature and really leveraging the power of nature and the gifts of nature and doing the exercises that I took you through is bringing your mind into peace, allowing your mind to rest, because we're redirecting our mind from thinking and processing, and we're bringing intention of our mind to our inside, to our heart and soul. So if you are with someone in nature, stay quiet, don't talk, follow the exercises, follow the practices, and you will actually experience even more bond by being in nature and being quiet. We have many other resources for you to explore, to bring yourself into harmony, to elevate, to establish connection, to connect with the bigger sources and forces that are here to support you and guide you, and to help you achieve your dreams. We